The fully ceramic elongated chamber combined with turbine structure design achieves gentle yet highly efficient dispersion and grinding of materials. 1. High-efficiency gentle dispersion and grinding of materials. 2. Low-speed flexible grinding to prevent structural damage. 3. Synergistic axial radial motion for efficient cyclic grinding. 4. Axial discharge design for precise separation of micro-grinding media. 5. LL ceramic elongated chamber structure. During turbine operation, materials are axially drawn in and form spiral laminar flow along the curved blade surfaces. This subjects the particles to repeated uniform shear and friction forces within the laminar flow, achieving simultaneous dispersion and refinement of particles. 1. Efficient dispersion. Laminar flow creates a stable cycle within the chamber, ensuring uniform dispersion. 2. Structure protection. Low rotation speed and flexible contact prevent particle deformation caused by intense collisions or high temperatures. Gentle dispersion and grinding. 1. Low rotation speed design. Compared with traditional high-speed grinding equipment, the turbine operates at a low rotation speed, reducing the mechanical impact force. 2. Flexible contact. The buffer material on the surface of the blades reduces the intensity of direct particle collisions. 3. Laminar flow dispersion. The materials are slowly stressed in the laminar flow, avoiding local stress concentration, and achieving gentle crushing and dispersion. Axial movement path. Materials and zirconia beads are drawn in and ejected along an axial path within the grinding zone to achieve particle refinement. Radial movement path. Unqualified materials and zirconia beads are drawn in and ejected along a radial trajectory, recirculating back into the grinding zone. Axial discharge. The hollow shaft dynamic screen design with adaptive chamber pressure regulation ensures smooth material discharge while significantly reducing screen clogging risks, enabling high efficiency, stable continuous production. All ceramic structure combined with optimized elongated chamber design provides exceptional corrosion resistance, while maximizing grinding efficiency and space utilization through extended flow paths. Achieve uniform grinding of materials and continuous production. Adopt an innovative turbine structure to achieve efficient and gentle dispersion and uniform refinement of materials through low-speed flexible grinding, axial radial cooperative motion, and an all-ceramic long-strip chamber design.